Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install ExpressVPN on your Amazon Firestick device. So this application is officially available on Firestick App Store. If you want to download ExpressVPN on your Amazon Firestick, you don't need to jailbreak on Firestick. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here ExpressVPN. When you type Express, the suggestion below search ExpressVPN second number option and click on. And here you can see red color app ExpressVPN, then click on. Now click on download yellow button by pressing remote select button, and here as you can see downloading will be started. It will depending on your internet connection speed. And here as you can see ExpressVPN installed. Now you open ExpressVPN from here and also from home. So after installing ExpressVPN, now click on remote home button. And here again press remote home button for 3 seconds and click on apps. And here you can see all installed application on Firestick device. So if you want to open that application, then scroll down, you will find that application. So here as you can see ExpressVPN and click on. So if you have ExpressVPN account, then click on sign in, and if you don't have ExpressVPN account, then start a free trial. So you can use this method to download ExpressVPN on your Amazon Fire Stick device. And I hope this video is really helpful for you. And please don't forget to click on like button, share button, and subscribe button. And if you have any question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.